If they ask you for a discount, don't tell them you can't do it. Just tell them the truth. Sure, but it won't get you the result you actually want. Cheap and good were never the same thing. Now, you can have it cheap or you can have it worse. The real stuff costs what it costs. When you cut your price to win someone over, you don't just lose money. You agree to do worse work, and they quietly start expecting less. And I know how it feels when the market's slow, when you need the sale, when the rent's coming. The pull is to take whatever you can get just to put something on the board. The cheap client you grab out of desperation is the one who pays late, argues over everything, and leaves the second someone's cheaper. The ones worth having don't want the cheapest. They want it done right. And when you hold your number without flinching, that's exactly who you start to attract. Your price is a signal. Drop it, and you tell the market your work was never worth much. Hold it, and you tell them the opposite. So when they push, stay calm and tell them straight. Good work is the price. If they want the result, they'll pay for it. If they don't, they were never your client anyway.
The city lights begin to blur. A whispered echo of your word. I walk through streets we used to know, watching our memories come and go. I scroll through photos on my phone, a digital life we used to own. Each pixel a forgotten place,